So for this video, we'll be teaching you how to use this controller. Did you know that you can fly a drone using this controller from DJI? So first, you need to unlock the antenna, and you need a cable adapter. This one is the type C. Here's the type C adapter that's come from. Power it on. And then connect it to the PC type C, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it's now loading. Let's wait for it for the verification. Now we can fly or simulate our drones, DJI drones specifically. So this is a PC simulator using the controller from the Mavic drone. Took long time to load, but let's wait for it until it loaded. So basically, I just used the type C from the PC and the adapter type C to micro USB to integrate it with the controller. So wait now. Just need to rerun the DJI flight simulator. So it's not available for all of the drones, but it's limited. Okay. Now it's launching, so we just have to wait for it. If the simulator will load. Verifying loader version. Yep, it will take a while, maybe. Okay, but first you need to please log in your account. But I already logged in. Yes, obtaining product code. Alright guys, maybe I have a slow internet right now because we're having a problem from my ISP, but currently it's now loading. So this is just a flight. I just need to set it to full screen, and you just click to start. Yeah, simulator just started. So you no need to the antenna, but for the sake, yes, now it's controller. You need to press the enter and select the drone. Mavic Pro 2. Yeah, now it's using the controller. Let's wait for it to load. The M2010 RTK. Now you need to fly. Let's just wait because there's a connection problem. Alright, so after installing the DJI and the USB driver, it's already working. So free flight, let's go for the free flight. And now you can select the drones, whatever drone you want. So, Mavic 2 Pro, so that's my drone. Just select. Then free flight farm, go back, bubble race, racing, yeah, free flight farm, hangar, city, island, mountain. Let's go to the island. Check. Now it's running perfectly. So what you can do basically is just like a drone flying. Now it's loading. You need a high spec PC for this to work, video card and large data, and also the internet connection. So now you can change the view. Wait, I'll check if I can go full screen. Now you can fly the drone. You can practice the simulator just like anything, and also you can change the view. Can change the view, the pilot and the controller, the camera view, the drone 3D view, the pilot visual. Oh, so that's it. I crashed the first drone. That's how you can practice the DJI drone. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful, and if you want to get license, I suggest you practice through the simulator. See you around and happy flying.